MakerBarn members, I've got a surprise for you. We have a new facility, additional facility. We're going to be moving a lot of our equipment into here, our craft and sewing, that sort of thing. Anyway, we'll be located half a mile north of Caraway Lane, very close to MakerBarn, and it's a really very nice facility here. We can let's go on in and take a look. This front room is 35 feet wide, about 20 feet deep, and we'll be putting our sewing and vinyl cutting, that sort of thing, in this room. A lot of the clean crafts, art mounting and framing, that sort of thing we can do up here. This room in the back here has some partitions, and let's take a look at these partitions. This first one, we're going to have a little mini workshop here. We'll have our little drill press and that sort of thing. Be able to work on little projects where you have to put things together, that sort of thing. And on this other side, we'll have some computers, that sort of thing. Maybe our big printers. We'll see how that fits. This area will be our laser area. We'll have both laser cutters involved in this area. You can see we already cut a hole there for the vent. And on this other cubicle, we're going to put the electronics. So we'll have 2 electronic benches and all our equipment for doing that. And you can see there's a rear entrance as well. This facility will be available to us 24 hours a day, so we can operate during the daytime, no problem at all. It's a small room. We're going to use this for just general small crafts and a small conference room. This is a good place to do kid crafts. They can be a little dirtier back here and not be a problem. All right, as it comes through this door, and there's our partitions again. There's a little kitchenette area. We've got a refrigerator, nice sink, hot and cold water, running water, small microwave, and some storage. You could put a coffee maker back here. And let's see what else we have here. This is a rather long room, but it's fairly wide, so we're going to put all of our 3D printers and we have a small CNC, the crafty CNC, and probably the CNC for making circuit boards we'll put in here. So this will be the room where we fabricate things like that using 3D printers, and then back through this way, back toward our bathroom. We kind of share this hallway with another suite. That's why it's strange. But this is our bathroom, and as you see, it's quite large. It has a very nice pedestal, or what do they call it? Sink. Anyway, it has large storage area in there. Very clean. So yeah, this is the facility, and this weekend we're going to move our stuff in here, so we need your help. We'll get all our stuff, for the most part, out of the upstairs area of the barn. We'll move that in here and get it all arranged. Get this operational as soon as possible. We're going to have allow 24/7 access. We just have to set up a Mac system to allow us to have access. And that's it.